Here are top 5 live streaming apps that can pay you real cash in dollars. And I'm not only going to share with you their names, I'll also share with you their modes of operation, different ways you can earn and make more money on these live streaming apps, as well as available withdrawal methods on each and every one of the apps I'll be mentioning. And if you watch this video till the end, I'm also going to be sharing with you my tips and strategies that I've used to earn thousands of dollars on this live streaming platform. So if all this interests you, please give me a like. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. On this channel, we talk about entrepreneurship, making money on the internet, and cryptocurrency. So I'm going to start sharing with you in no particular order, but I'll start from the latest to the oldest. So the first on my list right here is Lollipop. So Lollipop is a live streaming platform that you can live stream to earn money. So how do you make use of the Lollipop live streaming platform? First of all, you need to download the app and sign up. So in the description of this video, I'm going to drop a playlist of all the videos I've done on Lollipop, where you watch and see practically how I sign up. So, and I'll also drop the link to sign up for Lollipop. So you need to download the app and sign up, and then you can join agency, which is optional. Okay, so when you join agency, before now, whether we join new, the moment you sign up, you can start your live streaming. But right now, you must reach a charm level, meaning you must exchange coins for you to start live streaming. So I've shared in the video how you can reach the level of charm for you to start live streaming. So in the description of this video, there's a playlist of videos I've done on Lollipop. So how do you make more money on Lollipop live streaming platform? Number one, you can invite people. So if you use my link to sign up right now, that means I earn small money, small points, which is money. And then you can also become an agent. So if you open your agency on Lollipop, you can make more money. You can also play games on Lollipop. You can also become a coin seller, but for you to become a coin seller, you must become an agent. And I've done video on how to become an agent on Lollipop live streaming platform. So if you just click that video that I drop in the description of this video, a complete playlist of videos that I've done on Lollipop live streaming platform, you're going to see all the videos I have done on that. So what are the available withdrawal methods for Lollipop? You can use ePay, you can use USDT, and you can use your local bank. And again, I've done video withdrawing to ePay and then USDT. So, and if you don't know how to sign up for ePay, I've also done a video on how to create your ePay account, because most of these live streaming platforms, they are also using ePay and USDT. So USDT is a crypto stable coin. So if you want to learn about cryptocurrency, you can ask in the comment section, or in the description of this video, I've also dropped a complete playlist of videos that I've done about cryptocurrency, so that you can also learn how to create your own Bybit account and have a wallet address that you can use to withdraw money from all these live streaming platforms. The second on my list is BoloUp. So BoloUp is also a live streaming platform that you can use to live stream and make money on the internet. All you need to do is sign up, download the app. In the description of this video, I'll drop link to sign up and complete playlist of all videos I've done on BoloUp live streaming platform. So you sign up, but on the BoloUp live streaming platform, you have to join an agency before you can live stream. You don't have to reach a charm level like the Lollipop, but you must join agency on the BoloUp live streaming platform for you to start earning. So how do you make money on the BoloUp live streaming platform? By going live, you make money. Okay, you can also become an agent, but before you become an agent, you must first of all become a host, and for you to become a host, you must also join an agency. So you can also become a coin seller on the BoloUp live streaming platform. You can also play game, and you can also gamble. Like one of the strongest point of this bolo up currently, as at when I'm creating this video, is their gambling. So if you go, you play around with coins, you win a lot. I've been winning so much about that bolo up, and I've done video on that, so you can check in the description of this video where I drop link to videos or playlist on bolo up. You can click on it to see the videos I've made on bolo up. So how do you withdraw money or your earning or dollar in cash that you have made from bolo up? You can withdraw either using USDT or ePay, and again, I've done video on how you can withdraw your earning from the bolo up live streaming platform, both to either USDT or ePay. So the third on my list right now that you can pay you cash, the live streaming platform that can pay you cash in dollars, is Meyo. Mayo has been here for like almost 2 years now that I've been using Mayo. The only downside with Mayo is that when you come to the withdrawal, you can only withdraw once in a week. So the Mayo, I've done videos on that. I'll drop in the description of this video, so you can just link to sign up. You download the app, sign up, and you can start your tax. I've shared videos on how you can do your tax on the Mayo live streaming platform. The second downside with the Mayo live streaming platform is that you must chat a stranger every day for the 7 days, even when you have earned up to the amount of money you can withdraw. If you do not chat a stranger for 7 days every day before you withdraw, you will not be able to withdraw. So once they withdraw only once in a week, and secondly, you have to chat a stranger for you to be able to withdraw your earnings. So how do you withdraw? You can also withdraw via ePay and your local currency. As when I withdraw last, I don't know whether they have added USDT, because I've not withdrawn for the past 3 to 4 weeks, because I've not had time to chat a stranger, so I couldn't withdraw my earning. So how do you make money with the Mayo? You also live stream, you can play games, okay, and you can also become a coin seller on that Mayo. You can also open an agency. I'm not an agent on the Mayo live streaming platform currently, but I refer people, and I've done videos on that. So I will drop in the description of this video a complete playlist, the link, so that you can go and watch them and start making money, real cash, while live streaming from your mobile phone. The fourth on my list right here is Nikki Life. Nikki Life is also a live streaming platform that you can use to live stream and make money on the internet. And you can download the app, you sign up. You can also make money via referral. You can make money as you become agent. You can also make money by gambling. You can make money by playing games. You can also make money by becoming a coin seller. And on the Nikki Life live streaming platform, you can withdraw your earning to ePay. You can withdraw your money or earning via USDT. I have not been that active on Nikki Life because I discovered that they ask some YouTubers to create content about their app, and then they refuse to pay them. So one person reached out to me, and I discovered others as well. So myself, I've not been paid to create any of this content so far. So they reached out to me also. I refuse, pending on the past. Like I wouldn't want anyone. It's inhuman for you to ask someone to do videos and then you are not paying them. It's not right. So that's the only issue why I'm not that active. But aside from that, Nikki Life is good. They also pay. I'm still earning on the Nikki Life live streaming platform. The fifth on my list, which is the oldest and which is the one that have paid me most amount of money, is PoppoLive. PoppoLive is the sweetest. PoppoLive is the best so far. I've seen a lot of people leave PoppoLive, and after they taste every other place, they will run back to PoppoLive. So PoppoLive, I've made over 70 videos about PoppoLive streaming platform. That's to tell you how big PoppoLive is. So you need to just sign up and you start live streaming. And on PoppoLive, you can start live streaming without reaching any charm level. Right now, as a lady, if you sign up, you can start your live stream and make $1 for going live for 1 hour. Is that beautiful and is that crazy? So in the description of this video, I will drop complete playlist of all the videos I've done about PoppoLive. So you need to sign up. You can also join agency. You can choose not to join. So if you join agency, you do your face authentication and you go live. After you live stream, you earn. You can earn from referring people. You can earn from opening an agency. You can earn from playing games. You can also earn, okay, for becoming a coin seller. I've also done a video showing with you how I make more money, 13 different ways I make more money on PoppoLive. So I'll link it in the description of this video and in the comment section. So, and again, I see that as I make videos, some of this like Lollipop live streaming platform, now when I had the platform newly, I came and made video, and some people were like, why would you do video when you have not withdraw first? So some of one thing you should know with all this live streaming platform is that the early adapters used to get a lot of benefits. So I'm now wondering, there is more live streaming. I have 2 new live streaming platform right now, and I want to share with you. So if you are interested, you can comment latest live streaming platform so that I can share with you. And then the second thing again is, if you have any question about all these things, the videos I mentioned, or if you find it difficult navigating the description of this video, let me know in the comment section. You can ask, give me playlists on videos on Mayo, or give me playlists on videos on Lollipop. I will just copy and reply to you. And if you are interested in that latest one, let me know also in the comment section. So what are my tips? What are my strategy for making a lot of money with PoppoLive? Number 1, I create content. Right now in this year, with everything that is happening, you don't need any seer to tell you that content creation is going so big. So if you want to really make more money, I've made this video sharing with you how to make more money generally in the live streaming industry. And then in the description of this video, I will drop a link to my Telegram where you can join. I have over 3,500 members, but please, you should always note that I'm not going to DM you first. Anybody sending you message with my profile name or picture telling you to pay money for whatever is not me. It can never be me. Please stay safe. And again, how I make so much money is because in this life right now, you need to be vocal, you need to be visible, you need to be valuable. So if you have seen anything that works, you need to talk about it to invite people so that you can start an agency, okay? Then you need to be visible by creating content. That is why I've done videos on content creation, how you can start content creation journey. I will drop the complete playlist in the description of this video if you want to get started. And then you need to be valuable, just like as I'm creating this video now, bringing to your awareness. Even though I know some people have already known about some of this app, there are some that have no idea about it. So don't keep quiet, be vocal, be visible, be valuable to make more money even as you live stream. If you have not liked this video by now, oh God, you need to know how many videos, how many times I try before this video come to life. I'm already sweating even when the fan is right here. So please give me a like, drop a beautiful comment. I love you so much for doing so. Until I come your way again in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.